Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping by today to see what I am up to. So I have my pink box to you from you, and this is the Ipsy package from Open Studios program, which is the PR spoilers for November 2021. Discover yourself. This is a pretty big box this month, and always appreciative and very happy to get it. Ooh, looks like we have some refreshments in here too. The theme for November 2021 is going to be royal treatment. And then this card is just basically, you know, about the Open Studios program, how to post, all that happy stuff. Glad to have that. Wow. Do you want a little sneak peek? I just pulled the, right here is a little sneak peek. So let's do some refreshments first. Well, the bags are really cute. So here for refreshments, what I received is the Dazzling 5-blade razor kit in pink bubbly. Let's open this. I have received this in the past. Nice razor. I don't use razors anymore, so I gave this to my niece, and I might see if she needs this. So you get your razor, 2 blades, and then this is a like a little 3M that you could, you know, put it up. This is really nice. So that's that. So if you want something like this, or you get this, great item. You get, you know, 2 blades. So you get one to use, and then you have a backup. So that's always nice, and that's the presentation. Love that. Here, for refreshments, which I have not received these 2 products, the Pillowy Shave Cream and Citrus Spritz, which obviously I don't shave. I have epilated for years, so I don't really need to do any of that anymore. So I'll share this with the razor. Now, if my niece doesn't need it, I'll put these 2 in a giveaway. But you have shave cream with the razor. Now, this I'm very interested in trying. And this is their Oh My Moisture Shampoo Freesia Float. This is a huge, huge tube, 8 fluid ounces. Let's see if I can smell this. Let's try to get this open. These sometimes are so difficult for me to get open. That's why a lot of times I leave them like open a little bit in the shower. Ooh, that smells nice. Let's close that. Yeah. Huge. And you only need a tiny bit. I mean, shorter hair. If you have longer hair, you might need more. So this will last a while. I don't know if they do a conditioner. I'll have to look into that. But I'm excited to try that. Let's try to get this phone out of here. So that is that. Now, let's do the glam bag. Maybe I will put this on the floor to get this out of the way so I have more room. So this is the glam bag. Nice green, like velvety, velourish makeup bag. Nice and soft with the Ipsy tab, like the gold details. Very, very nice. That lone hair. Oreo is down, smelling everything as usual. Now, I don't get cards for the individual boxes, and then the interior is like a burgundy-ish color. Very, very nice bag. Let me see. Lush textures, rich gem tones, ornate gold details. That's their description of this. November's luxurious glam bag designs will help you feel like the royalty you are. That's their description, so I figured I'd share that with you. Let's just do the products and see what we have. My lighting is horrible for some reason in this position. The other position I could get better lighting. I don't understand. So this is from Sophia and Maybelle right here. And this is, I do have some things written down so I could give you descriptives. Let me see. That's this one. I need this paper. Sophia and Maybelle. This is a lipstick, a tinted lip oil in Beach Please. So that they're classing this as a lip gloss. This is sealed, and I am going to film either later this week or this weekend coming declutter. So I don't want to start opening lip products that I'm going to share. So this one's completely sealed. Nice shade. So I will share that probably. And that is full size, $19 value. So that is awesome. The next item, Sugar Rush. Isn't that Tarte Sugar Rush? I do believe. We have cake butter. Cake butter, whipped body butter, and this is a deluxe sample, and these should all have seals on them, which they do. I'm trying to think. I've tried a few things from Sugar Rush. I don't believe I've tried this, so that could be interesting. Let's see what the next item is from Glossier. This is a milky jelly cleanser, a conditioning face wash. Nice. Let's see what you look like. I don't have much from this brand, but it's worth giving a try. So that's that right here. 15 ml. So decent size to see if you like it before you purchase any full size, which is what I love about this. Now, this is a favorite of mine. I love their leave-in conditioner. This is from Briogeo. Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I don't use these too often, a mask, but I like to have Briogeos on hand in case I want to do a mask. I do use after a shampoo, before I blow dry. I'm trying to think the brand. Cannot tell you who the brand is right now. I can picture the bottle, but not the brand name. And it's a keratin that you spray at the root all over your hair, and then comb it through, brush it through. But you have to dry your hair. It has to be heat activated, but it's keratin. So as you dry, it smooths out, no frizz. I don't use it all the time. I did get it in my hairdresser. Love it, because she used it on my hair, and I was like, wow, what a huge difference. Because when I dry my hair, sometimes I notice some frizz, flyaways all the time, but when I use that doesn't happen. So sometimes I like to do a mask, because that does help with all that, nourish your hair, and that is a deluxe sample. And then the last item is Camelina and Strobe Luminizing Primer, and this is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is full size, and let's open this. Okay, we'll open this end. Full size product, nice primer, and this does have a seal on it, so I'll leave it sealed. I don't mind having but I'm not sure about luminizing for a primer. I usually prefer more matte products on my skin. I think they do better, but I might keep that, I might not. So that is some spoilers that you could get in your glam bag. If I received this as my glam bag, I would be very happy. A little heavier on like skincare-ish, you know, little hair care. So the makeup would be the primer and the lip. But a cleanser, body butter, hair, you know, that would be a good bag. And with the two full-size products, that equals $37. So that's not bad for a value. I like when they put some full-size in. And Oreo is, of course, down smelling everything because I put the box on the floor. So I don't know if this is going to stay up here. I need to get a bigger table. I'm convinced of that. So this is the bag for the Plus. Nice blue, really soft. The Ipsy tag, gold details, crown, heart, and a star. So that is nice. Let's get that stuff out of the way. So let's do the first product that I see. And from Jensen, now I have had this in the past, and it is very nice. Pumpkin and turmeric 2-in-1 polishing mask. $45 value. And Oreo's right here. I don't know what she wants. She's just driving me crazy. She's so nosy. Such a girl. So that's what that looks like. Very nice product. I did love it when I used it. So happy to have that. The next, which I probably will share because I don't keep full size, and this is from Thrive Cosmetics, and this is, excuse me, Length Volume Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. Very good mascara, Thrive, and this is in Bryn, which is a rich black. Let me see if I can open this. Like their packaging this is massive, nice packaging. I'm not going to open that, obviously, to start the timer on it, but I probably will share that because I don't like to keep full size. I do prefer sample size mascaras. Like I don't have mascara on today. If I'm just home and I'm just doing like a basic quick face and that's it, and a lip, I don't put all that stuff on. I find my lashes are healthier by not constantly putting all that on. But the Thrive Cosmetics mascara is $24. The next item is BFF Best Face Forward. What are we? A balancing serum. right here. Purifying cleanser, it says. Why does it say balancing serum? Let's see. This says a serum, an ultra hydrating oil-free serum that helps to balance sebum production and maintain healthy, calm, and clear skin. Let's open her up. I don't know why their site said purifying cleanser. Maybe I think I looked at the wrong item. So that's what that looks like. So it looks like a gel in there. Nice glass bottle with the dropper, right? Yeah, a dropper. I can see the dropper in there. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, I think I looked at the wrong item. This is the serum. So I don't know if I have the proper price, but I will post this in my, at the end when I do cost versus value. The next item, and this is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed because I'll probably share this. This is from Danessa Myrick's Beauty. Let me see. Right here. And this is Vision Flush in Tiara. And this is a highlighter. Worth $20, and Tiara must be the shade, so I will leave it sealed because I will share that. I don't need any more highlighters. I don't wear a ton of it. The last one that I'm excited for is from, and that's $20 if I didn't tell you, Il Makiage Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color in Bella, $22, and that's probably the shade, which I probably won't keep, and that's sad because I love Il Makiage. Oh, nice bougie packaging. Il Makiage is, you can feel that in there. Oh, nice. Oh, magnetic, as you can see. Love that. And this is the shade right here. Oh, look at the bottom of that. Nice. I'll hold it up to this so you can see it. Nice. No, that might be one that I could try, and matching up this then. Bougie. I like it. I'm not angry at that. So that is $22. So the total for this Ipsy glam bag, if you were to receive these exact products, is $135. And what is the glam bag plus? $27 now or something like that. Wait, I do have my cards here. Let me just see if I can tell you. Glam bag went up, right? Which, you know, we all know stuff like that. So plus is... it's either 25 or 27. That I never know. And then the Ipsy glam bag did go up to 13 or something like that. So, you know, prices did go up, which they really haven't had a price increase in a while. And don't forget, you get the nice little bag. These are useful to store things. Sometimes if I'm giving like a gift to someone or giving some products just to like a friend, my sister, I just put them in here. And my sister's always like, ooh, I get a bag. So they like them. And I try to share makeup bags whenever I think of them. I have an entire box full of them. So these spoilers from Ipsy for November 2021, I just showed you some possibilities. There are many, many more. The theme is Royal Treatment. Let me know what you thought of all this stuff. I love getting this box every month, and I'm honored that they've included me on their list and to be part of their team. I hope I do them justice each month when I get their products. And I'm excited to try some of these. I'm really excited to try the shampoo. I've been on the hunt for a different shampoo, conditioner. I get bored with using the same products, and my hair does get bored with it too, honestly. So I like to switch it up. I do have product that I got in, I think, Boxy. I want to try that. I haven't tried that yet. And then want to give this a shot. I want to see about the conditioner, though. I like using the same shampoo and conditioner from the same brand. I don't like to mix. So let me know what you thought in the comments down below. It's so important that you comment. So if you watch, please leave a comment. It shows engagement with my audience, with all of you. So that's just as important as hitting the like button, is to leave a comment. Be careful with your comments, though, with emojis all the time, because I've noticed that quite a few are going into like the spam folder, and sometimes I don't check that all the time. So if you're wondering why you're not seeing your comment, it's there. And then usually every day or two, I try to get in there and approve all those. They have to be manually approved. So just be mindful of that. If you use the same response every single day, they're going to think you're spamming on the channel. So change it up every once in a while. But commenting is so important, and I would appreciate it if you would do that for me. Hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's totally free for you. I love getting new subscribers, getting to know you in the comments. I think we have a nice little group here, a nice little family on YouTube. Everybody's very nice to each other, polite, kind, thoughtful, all those things. I don't tolerate any negativity. I have yet to block anybody, but I will do it if need be. So far, I haven't had to, so that is a pleasure. Makes it a pleasurable experience here on YouTube. And I appreciate all of you. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.